Hello friends, today we are going to find de Broglie wavelength of electron. Okay, so electron is in a small particle. This one we are going to consider it is in a wave in nature. Electron, when it is in a wave in nature, it's going to revolve around the nucleus like this. Okay, the electron is going to be moved within a wave in nature. Okay, so today we are going to find what is the wavelength of electron. It is a de Broglie wavelength of electron we can call. So how we can find the wavelength of electron? Okay, so of mv square, it's a kind of, it's a moving electron of mv square is equal to it is ev. Okay, how ev is the energy. Okay, so of mv square how is become as a ev. Okay, so work done is equal, work done by charge we can take it as a voltage. That means work done is equal to charge into voltage. That means ev, it's a work done, that is called of mv square. Okay, so we know of mv square. From this equation I am going to find what is a velocity. 2 I am going to take it this side, m I am going to take it as a denominator. Okay, so v square is equal to e v, capital V is the voltage, small v is the velocity. Okay, so capital V is a voltage, this is a voltage. Okay, and this is a velocity of mv square. Okay, so m I am taken denominator, 2 I am taken as a numerator. So v is equal to root of 2ev divided by m. E is charge of electron, 2, and m is the mass of electron, v is the velocity of the electron. Okay, and v, it is the voltage of the electron. Okay, so except voltage, mass of electron, charge of electron is a constant value only. Okay, so now it is a wavelength only is a question mark. How we can find the wavelength? Okay, so I am relating Planck constant versus the Einstein equation. H frequency is equal to mc square. Okay, so we know velocity is equal to wavelength into frequency. So velocity is a wavelength into frequency. So frequency is equal to velocity by wavelength. Okay, this I am going to substitute in this equation. So hc by lambda is equal to mc square. So cc get cancelled. Okay, so h by lambda is equal to mc. mc is the momentum. Okay, so mass into velocity is a momentum. Momentum is equal to h by lambda. Okay, now we are going to find what is a lambda. So lambda is equal to, so I am taken momentum as a denominator, h divided by p. Okay, so h divided by p is a mass into velocity, it's a momentum. Okay, momentum of the electron here. Okay, m v. So v is the velocity, momentum is a mass into velocity, v is the velocity. Velocity already we found the velocity of the electron. Okay, h divided by m root of 2 ev divided by m. Okay, this m I am going to write it as a root m into root m. Okay, because root m into root m it's going to be m only. Okay, so wavelength of the electron is equal to h divided by root m into root m. M we can take it as a root m into root m. Okay, into 2 times of ev divided by this m, root m. Okay, so root m get cancelled, h divided by root of 2 m ev. Okay, now wavelength of electron. How we can find wavelength of electron? H is 6.63 into 10 power minus 34 Planck constant value it is. Okay, I think 34 divided by root of 2 times of mass of electron will be 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg, and the charge of electron will be 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. Okay, into voltage. This all together I think this is 31 or 31, I don't know. Okay, just I will check it with the constant value. Okay, so this whole calculation we are going to get all the numbers 12.27 divided by root of v angstrom unit. Okay, so if you know voltage you can find what is the wavelength of the electron, how much voltage is applied. Okay, so a is it is in a 10 power minus 10 meter, 12.27 divided by root of v is a 10 power minus 10 meter. Okay, so angstrom unit it is we can give in a meter. Okay, because it is in atom level we are going to take it as an angstrom unit. Okay, so h Planck constant value, exact Planck constant value is it is 6.63 into 10 power minus 1 minute, value of the Planck constant